Things You Didn't Know. PowerPoint Edition, Part 6. Do you want to add some perfect shapes like circles or squares into your PowerPoint? But when you draw it, you really have to eyeball to make sure that it's exactly perfect? Don't worry about this anymore. By pressing one additional key, you can get a perfect circle, square, or any other shape whenever you need it. All you need to do is start at the Insert tab, go to your Shapes dropdown, and select what shape you want to insert. Right now, we'll start with a circle. Before you start drawing, press and hold the Shift key, and then start drawing your shape. And it doesn't matter how large or small you make it, as long as you're holding that Shift key, it will always be the perfect form. And this works with any other shape that you want to insert. If you want to put a square in your PowerPoint, select the Rectangle tool, and while holding the Shift key, go ahead and draw, and instead of a rectangle, it will always be a square. And again, this works for any shape that you want to insert, whether it's a diamond, a pentagon, a star, a triangle, you name it. As long as you're holding that Shift key, it will always turn out to be perfect. Have a great day.